Terapeak is our friend. Now you can get a free trial of Terapeak, and I think for 7 days. And you can do all your product research on that, and it's a great thing to do. And then if you do decide to carry on, it's good. It's a really good piece of kit. So Frank, if I were in your situation thinking about selling something on Amazon in Australia and it was already selling on eBay in Australia, then I would come here and see how many sales it's making, because that's going to be indicative of the potential sales that you could make on Amazon in Australia. So that's a very, very good place to start. The other thing you should do, of course, is you should check out merchant words. You should go into merchant words and see what the search volume is for that particular thing, so you can get a sense of what's actually happening. So let's go and have a look. Porsche, 120,000 and 20,000. Oh, that sounds crazy. Lego Technical Porsche. Oh, that's a cool product. So I would definitely do that, and to see, again, get another data point. So what you're doing is you're getting all these different data points. What's the sales on Terapeak? What's the sales on eBay? What's the sales volume potential like according to merchant words? You're getting all these different data points, and you'll put together your own due diligence process to see whether or not it's the right thing to do, whether or not it's the right product to go sell. But don't be put off by the fact that it's not selling on Amazon in Australia yet. That's not at all a problem, because Amazon in Australia is growing. There's tons of products that are not selling on Amazon yet, which, by the way, is one of the reasons I love it so much, because there are tons of opportunities. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.